The hidden valley awakens as lilac light kisses the horizon, and the first stars begin to twinkle. Liora, a butterfly of otherworldly beauty, dances among the radiant flora. Drawn by the faint echoes of sorrow, Liora turns her delicate attention toward a weeping willow. The air shimmers with an ethereal glow, highlighting Liora's mystical bond with the valley. She flits closer, her gem-like wings catching the fading light as she approaches the source of the weeping. Beneath the weeping willow, Liora sits alone, her tears a river of sorrow. A tiny fairy, Liora, lands gently on Ilara's palm, a beacon of hope in her despair. Through sobs, Liora whispers, "No one believes my stories, Liora. No one believes there are enchanted forests." Suddenly, Liora's wings explode with radiant light, swirling around them like magical fireworks. Gasp! "Oh!" Liora cries, shielding her eyes from the dazzling display. Bathed in ethereal light, Liora begins to believe, her loneliness fading in the face of magic. In the Valley of Stars, where dreams take flight, Liora stands radiant, her gown shimmering like captured starlight. Each step she takes awakens the valley, flowers blooming in vibrant hues under her delicate feet. The very air crackles with the magic they share, a testament to the enduring power of belief. Her voice echoes through the valley. "I am Liora. You believed in magic, even when no one else did. That belief set me free." With a gentle promise, she whispers, "Whenever you believe, I'll be near."